In our next question, we need to find the value of sine inverse of sine A, where A is this 33 pi by 7, plus cos inverse of cos 46 pi by 7, plus tan inverse of minus tan 13 pi by 8, plus cot inverse of cot of minus 19 pi by 8. Now, in order to solve this question, we need to know few things. Sine inverse of sine theta is equal to theta only when theta lies in the range of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta, but only when theta lies in the range of 0 to pi. Tan inverse of minus theta is equal to minus tan inverse theta. Cot inverse of minus theta is equal to pi minus cot inverse theta. Now we'll try to solve this question. Individually we'll solve each of these terms and then we'll add all the values. Sine inverse of sine 33 pi by 7. We try to convert this angle in the range of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 so that it can directly come out of the sine function. So sine inverse of sine 33 pi by 7 is equal to sine inverse of sine 5 pi minus 2 pi by 7, which is equal to sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 7. Now this angle is in the range of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this can directly come out of the sine function. So its value is 2 pi by 7. Now cos inverse of cos 46 pi by 7 can be written as cos inverse of cos 6 pi plus 4 pi by 7. This is equal to cos inverse of cos 4 pi by 7. Now this given value has come in the range of 0 to pi. So this 4 pi by 7 can directly come out of the cos function to become 4 pi by 7. So we have got two values, we need to find out other two. We'll write down the values on the right hand side. Now we need to find out tan inverse of minus tan 13 pi by 8. Now we know that tan of 2 pi minus theta is minus tan theta. So we can convert this minus tan theta into tan of 2 pi minus theta. This can be written as tan inverse of minus of tan 2 pi minus 3 pi by 8. This in turn is equal to tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 8. Now this value has come in the range of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this can again come out of the tan function and become 3 pi by 8. So we have got the third value as well. Now we just need to find out the fourth value. Now we know that cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. So cot inverse of minus theta is pi minus cot inverse theta. So we can write this cot inverse of minus thing as pi minus cot inverse of cot 19 pi by 8. You can also deal with negative angles as we dealt with tan inverse of minus tan theta, but this is generally easier and preferred. So this becomes pi minus cot inverse of cot 2 pi plus 3 pi by 8. As we know that cot of 2 pi plus theta is again cot theta. So this becomes pi minus cot inverse of cot 3 pi by 8. This has again come in the range of 0 to pi. So we can convert and write it as pi minus 3 pi by 8, which becomes 5 pi by 8. So now we just need to add up all these four values to get the final answer as pi plus 6 pi by 7 equals 13 pi by 7. So our final answer is 13 pi by 7. In this question, we needed to be very careful while taking out the angles inside outside the sine, cos, tan or cot functions, and we need to know when these angles can be brought out, and the final answer of our question is 13 pi by 7.